I've come to a stage in my life where I have accepted that I am destined for more than I was hoping for. And here's the reason what I am destined for is more than I was hoping for. Because I'm smart enough to know what I have to go through to get to what I am destined to get. And I'm not sure I want to go through it. Yeah? This is why even if you read the good book, God never gives you the full picture. He just gives you the next step. It says, the steps of a good man are ordered by the Lord. And what does that means? He moves footstep by footstep right in front of you. Because if he told you where you were going, you wouldn't go. You just, Jonah was like, no, I'm not going. I'll go the other way. Right? If he told you where he wanted you to be, you probably wouldn't go there. Because of the experiences you're going to have to go through to get to where God wants you to go. But God uses us. Even in our weak forms, he uses us. Even in your formlessness, he uses you. Even in your hopelessness, he uses you. In your brokenness, he uses you. In your naked state, he uses you. In your sinful nature, he uses you. In the crowd and people you keep, he uses you. The nature of God is to use you where you are, because where you are is a point of reflection for the people he needs you to take with.